Are you looking to introduce pizza to the menu? Do you have low skilled staff or a high turnover of staff? Are you looking at solutions to speed up production in the kitchen? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm that pizza guy Kyle, and in this video we are giving you our top 5 tips to de-skill your operation and speed up production. Let's go. Tip number 1, frozen dough balls. They're readily available, they have a great consistency, and it allows de-skilling in the operation. You don't have to worry about your staff having to make the dough and make it the same every time. It's readily available, so you can usually get them anywhere. They can be delivered, etc., etc. And a great time saver also. Bonus tip for this one, you can get proving trays. We sell them, but the dough ball fits perfectly in. You get 15 in the tray and it stops the dough from sticking together, but also helps the proving process itself. Tip 2, the pizza press. This piece of equipment allows you to seamlessly stretch pizza without having all the skill that's needed and expensive to do. This is a very teachable piece of equipment that I can show you how to learn to stretch in 5 minutes as opposed to 5 years. It's really good, energy efficient, and it replicates consistency every single time without having a day off. Let me show you. We take the dough that we placed in the tray 12 hours before. The tray goes into the fridge, and on the morning of, we pull the dough out and let it come to room temperature. It's very important the dough comes to room temperature. The dough ball goes into the flour, like so, just off the excess, and then onto the plates. The beauty of this machine is that it runs a cycle automatically, so there's no need for pressure or any sort of force. I hold the handle down, it runs the cycle up and back down again, and that's your base. We take a mesh, peel the base off, onto the mesh to let it rest, and away we go. Tip number 3, cooking on the screens. Screens are a valuable time saver and also a valuable skill saver. What it allows is that less mistakes in the kitchen, and for untrained staff, the ability to top the pizza quite easily, but also to rack a couple of pizzas up as well. It also gives the user the ability to launch a little easier, which sometimes is a little bit of a daunting task. So it makes that skill tons easier also. And the arm off. So this is a pizza we made in the press. It's cooled down now. We're using the mesh as shown. Top the pizza as we need. The pizza press also gives you the ability to find the crust, cheese, oil, and the pizza peel. Top tip number 4, the Giotto rotating pizza oven. The best solution for low skilled staff, the creme de la creme. The pizza is easily loaded in the front, out the front. You don't have to work towards the back, the middle, etc., etc. The oven rotates, which helps with cooking in a few different ranges. It helps with even cooking. I don't have to turn the pizza, which is a massive skill saver. It also creates a convection there to help speed up the cooking also. Another tip with this particular oven is it has programs, eco modes, automatic cleaning, and as well it has a timer. Now obviously we still have to eyeball the pizza, but the timer helps the user understand actually the amount of time that's needed for the rotations to cook the pizza. Let's get started. We'll load up the oven. pizza in, off the peel dead easy, shut the door, and off we go. Tip number 5, keep it simple. By this, what we mean is keep the toppings simple, the menu simple. People often have a menu that they want to go 10 pizzas, 15 pizzas, with loads of variety toppings. It's okay to have exotic toppings, but try and keep your menu simple. So 5, 6 pizzas max, maybe a special to see how that takes. The more you add, the longer the process is going to be. And especially for low skilled staff, this can be quite a daunting thing also. Difficult to prep, longer to prep, harder to remember pizza toppings, harder to remember pizza recipes, etc, etc. So just keep it simple and build up your knowledge base from there. So that is our video for the top 5 tips to de-skill your operation. I've been that pizza guy Kyle, this has been the Giotto rotating pizza room, this has been the Pizza Press. Catch you on the next one.